And up next is another exciting feature on autos of the world. This time around, the 2019 Mazda CX-30. Let's watch this.
Mazda Motor Corporation recently made the world premiere of the second model in its new generation lineup, the Mazda CX-30 compact crossover SUV. As a new core model, the CX-30 will be rolled out to global markets, with sales starting in the UK later this year. The CX-30 is a new compact crossover that combines the bold proportions of an SUV with elegant styling that embodies Mazda's Kodo design language. The development team hoped to create a car that would enrich customers by helping them and their loved ones make new and stimulating discoveries within their daily lives. Relaxed and user-friendly packaging and a cabin that comfortably seats 4 adults mean customers can easily enjoy trips to any destination with family and friends. Moreover, the CX-30 was designed to be an easy drive. The increased height over a passenger car provides excellent visibility and makes getting in and out a breeze, while the body size makes it easy to maneuver on any road and in any parking space. Basic performance attributes such as accelerating, turning, and braking have been dramatically enhanced. Mazda's Skyactiv vehicle architecture enables people to make the most of their natural sense of balance, and the latest Skyactiv engines, including Skyactiv X, allows responsive control of vehicle speed in any driving situation.